this is Ali Inan signing in with yet another video on English grammar. Today, we'll discuss the past simple tense. The simple past is a verb tense that is used to talk about things that happened or existed before now. ये बात समझने की है कि सिंपल पास्ट एक ऐसा टेंस है कि जिसमें हम किसी ऐसे एक्शन, प्रोसेस, इवेंट या स्टेट की बात करेंगे जो अभी से पहले यानी प्रेजेंट टाइम से पहले एग्जिस्ट करता था या पहले हो चुका है. Imagine someone asks what your brother Roger did while he was in town last weekend. You may say Roger entered a painting contest or he won the silver medal. अब लास्ट वीकेंड से आप खुद समझ रहे होंगे कि ये कोई ऐसा टाइम है या ऐसा एक्शन है, ऐसा प्रोसेस है, इवेंट है या कैफियत है जो अब से पहले एग्जिस्ट करती थी या फिर हो चुकी है. The verbs entered and won refer to such actions or processes or events or states which happened or existed before now. The form of the past simple tense can be regular verb and it can also be an irregular verb. A regular past tense verb would end in ed. As here in these examples, it happened very quickly. The van crashed into the car. I posted the letter yesterday. In all these verbs, we have used the suffixation ed. We can also have irregular forms of the past tense verb. As in these sentences, we are not using the suffixation ed with the verb. For example, the car came out of a side road. Vicky rang earlier. I won the game. In all these verbs, we have not used the suffixation ed with the past tense form of the verb. So, आप दोनों regular या irregular forms of verb use कर सकते हैं past simple tense में. Spelling rules for the past tense form of the verb will be discussed in a separate video on this YouTube channel. And for a detailed study of spellings, you can consult chapter 31 of my book, Practical and Competitive English. The past tense form of the verb be is also an important area to be discussed in the past simple tense. Past simple tense is the same in all persons except in past tense of be. यानी इसमें हम सिंगुलर और प्लूरल की डिस्टिंक्शन देखते हैं पॉजिटिव फॉर्म्स में भी. I was, he was, she was, but you were, we were, and they were. So with I and other singular subjects, we'll use was, and with you and plural subjects, we'll use were. Let's take a look at some more examples. I was ill last week. Those cakes were nice. In these examples, we are referring to any action, process, event, or state which was in the past time, and we are also using the past tense form of the verb be, and here we also distinguish between the singular and the plural, or the first person and the second person as well. Remember that the verb be has more person number properties than any other form of verb. In the negative form, we'll use, and also in the interrogative form, in questions, we'll use did. We use did in negatives and questions both. When we'll use did, we'll not use the past tense form for the main verb. जब भी हम did यूज करेंगे, चाहे did not की फॉर्म में नेगेटिव या फिर क्वेश्चन में did यूज करेंगे, हमने फर्स्ट फॉर्म या फिर जिसको हम प्रॉपर टर्म में जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब या फिर बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब कहते हैं, वो यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई डिड नॉट स्टॉप. ये गलत होगा कि अगर स्टॉप्ड कहा जाए. द कार डिड नॉट स्टॉप इज करेक्ट, द कार डिड नॉट स्टॉप्ड इज इनकरेक्ट. The driver didn't look to his right is correct, and the driver didn't look to his right is incorrect. In questions, did we stop or did you ring home? These are correct, and did you rang would be incorrect. So Remember that you will use the base form or the present tense general form of the verb when you are using the past tense form of the verb do, which is did. Subject object questions will also be discussed in a separate video on this channel, and you can also consult my book Practical and Competitive English for that. Now we'll discuss the usage of past simple tense. We use past simple for something in the past which is finished. For example, Emma passed her exam last year. Or we went to the theater on Friday. Elvis Presley died in 1977. Or I knew what the problem was. Or the question, when did you buy this car? It may be 3 years ago or maybe 10 years ago. तो ये किसी ऐसे काम या फिर ऐसी कैफियत या ऐसे इवेंट के लिए हम यूज कर रहे हैं जो कि माजी में मुकम्मल हो चुका है, प्रेजेंट टाइम में उसका एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है, नहीं उस पर कोई काम किया जा रहा है। इन पांचों जुमलों में पास्ट, वेंट, डाइड, न्यू, डिड, ये सब पास्ट टाइम में एक्शन के फिनिश हो जाने की तरफ इशारा करते हैं। एक और यूजेज है द पास्ट स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, यानी माजी में कोई कैफियत। So you can also use the simple past to talk about a past state of being, such as the way someone felt about something. This is often expressed with the simple past tense of the verb to be, यानी be की जो हमने past tense forms देखी थी was और were, वो अक्सर past state of being को express करने के लिए main verb के साथ use की जाती हैं. Let's take a few examples. Roger was proud of his painting victory, or the contest was the highlight of this week. In both these examples, we are referring to a past state of being. Here are 10 sentences with a few options which you can consider to fill these blanks. He blank as a doctor, and you have the option did worked, or work. Blank to university, so maybe did he go, or he did go, or maybe he went. Yes, he blank did go or went are the three options. I blank English for 10 years, so did study, studied, or studying. Or they blank to the concert, so you can select one of the options, didn't go, didn't went, or not go. Or she blank any work yesterday, and you have to select one of the options, did not, didn't do, or not did. Or did you blank the film, and again you have three options, did see, or saw. Or no, I blank didn't see, or not saw. And number 9, I blank a headache yesterday, did have, had, or have. And the last one, she blank her children to school, and the options are didn't look, take, or took. I hope that while we were going through these sentences, you have selected your options which you would have inserted in these blank spaces. Now we'll take a look at the correct responses which you must have thought about. He worked as a doctor. Did he go to university? Yes, he did. I studied English for 10 years. They didn't go to the concert. She didn't do any work yesterday. इस सेंटेंस में इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि हमने didn't के साथ do को as main verb यूज किया है. Did you see the film? And no, I didn't. I had a headache yesterday. और यहां पर had का यूजेज मेन वर्ब के तौर पर है, not as an operator or a helping verb or a modal. She took her children to school. You must practice the usage of correct forms of verb to master tenses. You can also consult chapter 3 to chapter number 6 of my book, Practical and Competitive English, to gain mastery over the correct usage of verbs. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And do press the bell icon so that you are notified for each and every new video on English grammar, language, and literature. Hope to see you soon in some new interesting videos. Thank you very much.